Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that in your PayPal app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps this here, indeed you're looking for PayPal app, or just click here on search, then here add PayPal app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on full stop, then you click here on OK. You go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for PayPal. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.